Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Seek Knowledge with Yusra. Today we are going to study civics. So let's start without wasting time. Civics for the real world. The chapter that we are going to is equality. If this video is useful to you, so please don't forget to share, like, follow, comment and turn bell icon for notification, and also subscribe to my channel. So let's start without wasting time. On equality. India is a democracy. In the class 6th book, we looked at the key element of democratic government. These includes people participation, the resolution of conflicts, and equality and justice. Equality is the key feature of democracy and influence of all aspects of exec functional. In this chapter, you will read about the equality, what is it, why is it, and why is it important, democracy, and whether or not everyone is equal in India. Let's begin to look at Kanta's story. The right way to vote. The story above begins with Kanta standing in a line to cast her vote. Look again in the various people who are standing in line with her. Kanta recognized her employment, Ashok Gain and Chota Lal, her neighbor. In a democracy country like India, all adults, irrespective of what religion they belong to, how much education they have had, what caste they are, or whether they are rich or poor, are allowed to vote. This you have already read in class 6th book is called Universal Adult Franchise, and it is the essential aspect of democracy. The idea of universal adult franchise is based on the idea of equality because it states that every adult in a country, irrespective of their wealth and communities state she belong to, has no caste. Kanta is excited to vote and happy that she is equal to all of other because each of them has one vote. But as her day gone on, Kanta become less certain about what this equality really means. What is that make Kanta insured? Let's take a look at daily in her life. She lives in a slum and has a drain behind her house. Her daughter is 6, but she cannot take day off work because he need to money from her employer to take her child to the doctor. Her job as a domestic help tries her out, and finally she earned her day by against standing in a long line. This line in front of the government hospital is unlike the one of morning because most of people standing in it poor. Other kind of equality. Kanta is the one of the many people who lives in democratic India and who have the right to vote, but whose details, living and working condition are far equal. Apart from beginning poor, people in India experience inequality in different ways. Let us see what the means of reading the two stories giving below. Each of these based on real incident in people lives and reflect the different kind of inequality that exists in India. One of the most common form of inequality in India is the caste system. If you will, in rural India, your caste identity is something that you probably learned or experienced very young. If you live in urban India, some of you might think that people has no longer believe in caste, but just look at these shows as a print English newspaper and you will show important the issue of caste continue to be the mind of highlight education urban India. Now let's read a story about the experience of a child attending school. You have already read about details in the class 6th book. Dalit is a term that is so called lower caste used to address themselves. Dalit means broken, and by using the word lower caste by pointing to show they were and they continue to be serious discriminated against. Om Prakash is a famous Dalit voter. In his autobiography, he writes, The autobiography he writes was a Jotan. I had to sit away from the other in the class, and that too on the floor. The man ran about before reaching the spot I sat on. Sometime I would have to sit way behind everybody, right near the door. Sometimes they would beat me without any reason. When he was in class 6th, the headmaster asked Om Prakash to sweep the school and the playground. He writes. He writes that the playground was a large than my small size could handle, and cleaning it. My back began to achieve. My face was covered with dust, had gone. Hope you understand. Now we are promoted to question and answers. So we have to do these 4 question and answer. Question number 1: in a democracy, why is the adult franchise important? In a democracy, every citizen is equal. The concept of universal adult franchise based on equality. Under universal adult, every adult irrespective of caste, religion, etc. is allowed to vote. Question 2: read the box of Article 15 and insert 2 way in which the article addressed inequality. The article addressed inequality in terms of access to shop, public restaurant, hotel and place of public entertainment, or the use of wheels, tank, bathing gates, roads and place of public restaurant maintains or party out of state fund or dedicated to use of the general public. Third, in what way was Om Prakash experience similar to that of the Ansaris? So, both Om Prakash and Ansari were the subject to discriminated. Om Prakash was not allowed to sit with another student in classroom and was made to swim up the school and playground only because he was Dalit. Similarly, the Ansaris were not given a flat in a locality where lived in a people, and also the people begin to religion other and theirs. The movement of the landlady come to know about their names. She declined to rent house in both the cases. Hope you understand it. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful to you, so please don't forget to like, comment and share. In this video we have discussed the whole chapter of equality with question answers, and also please subscribe my channel. Bye.